These are our class 6 students. Very nice, smiling faces. Okay, Trizamani, how are you?
I'm fine.
When did you get up in the morning today?
I got up in the morning at
6 a.m. Very nice. And what subject did you read in the morning?
I practice maths.
Practice maths. Very nice. Keep it up. Thank you, Trizamani. Pallavi, what about you? When did you get up in the morning today?
Yes, I got up at 6:30.
6:30. Okay then. What subject did you read in the morning today?
Yes, I read English.
English. Very nice. Keep on reading. Thank you. Bhagosri. And what about you? When did you get up in the morning today?
I get up late today, sir, at 7
Oh, 7 a.m. Why? Why are you late today?
We went to see Bhavna and
Oh, Bhavna, Village Namghar. Oh, I think it was organized because of the Hankar Utsav, I think. Very nice. And, okay.
Hi,
Thank you, Utpal. Parvan, how are you?
I'm fine.
When did you get up in the morning today?
I get up in 6 a.m.
Okay, what subject did you read in the morning?
English.
English. And English is a favorite subject? Okay, why is it favorite for you?
I love English words very much.
Very much. Okay, you keep loving English and you will surely go to the top. Okay, thank you. Okay then, now we will read English in a better way, energetic way. All of you must be expert in English. Okay, thank you.
Bye.